Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store issue on your iPhone. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're receiving cannot connect to App Store error message while trying to download any application from the App Store, then the first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Turn off your Wi-Fi router and then turn it back again in order to reset it. Make sure that your Wi-Fi switch is enabled on your iPhone. Connect to a stable internet connection and see if that fixes your issue by opening up App Store. Wait for a few seconds and see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, then make sure to update to the latest version of your iOS. Open up settings from your iPhone and scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update and check for available updates for your iOS device. If there is an update available, tap on Download and Install at the bottom. Once you have the latest software installed for your iOS, go back to your App Store and see if that fixes the issue. Another thing to do is to check the date and time from your iOS device. Make sure that the date and time on your device are set correctly to your time zone. Open up settings from your iPhone and scroll down and tap General. Tap on Date and Time. Make sure that the toggle button right next to Set Automatically is turned green. Once you make this change, you might be able to fix your issue. Open up your App Store and download an application. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are going through cannot connect to App Store issue on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.